Do you need a convenient and reliable roll-off dumpster rental in La Vista, Nebraska? Look no further. At 402 Container, we understand the importance of a clean and organized workspace. That's why we provide top-notch roll-off dumpster rentals that are perfect for any project. Whether you're tackling a home renovation or landscaping project or need to clear out some clutter, our dumpsters come in various sizes to meet your needs. No matter the scale of your project, we've got the perfect dumpster size for you. We've covered you, from small cleanup jobs to large construction sites. Our roll-off dumpsters are built to withstand tough jobs, ensuring your waste is safely contained. Our easy-access roll-off dumpsters make disposal a breeze, helping you complete your project efficiently and hassle-free. We believe in fair and transparent pricing. At 402 Container, you'll always get top-quality service at affordable rates with no hidden fees. Our customers love the convenience of our roll-off dumpsters. They make waste disposal a breeze, saving you time and effort. Ready to experience the convenience of roll-off dumpster rental in La Vista, Nebraska? Visit us at www.402container.com dumpster rental La Vista NE or give us a call at 402-979-5900. 402 Container, your trusted partner for all your dumpster rental needs in La Vista, Nebraska.